So today we're going to show you how to change your original gear stick into a nice aftermarket gear stick, and you can see here that we've got a lovely Momo gear knob here which we're going to use to complete the look of our X-Type off-roader. So the first thing you're going to do, you pull off the old one. It's literally just twist anti-clockwise. There it goes. So you can see there, that's the old gear knob. It's been used. I mean, it's been used for 183,000 miles. So it's had its day in the sun. So chuck that away.
So the first thing we need to do is, if you could feed those grub screws into the hole.
So these little grub screws go in these holes here. So this is probably going to be the most fiddly bit.
Right, now we have to choose which one of these is going to fit the best. So there's a whole range of diameters on here, and you can just place them over. So that one's way too easy. That one is going to take a little bit more resistance. So we'll choose that one.
Yep.
Separate it from its mates. That's it. And then you can just feed that into there. Make sure you don't push it all the way in.
So now all you need to do is to pop this on. So that's just grabbing onto the rubber there.
Yeah. So it's the rubber is basically threading onto that thread.
So that's how you install a shift knob. Remember, you can buy this exact knob plus many more in the CT shop. So today we're going to show you guys how to install an aftermarket wheel. We have a Momo Heritage Line beautiful mahogany wheel here, and we're going to be putting it into the